Kendall, Florida, is known for its sunny weather, vibrant community, and warm, tropical climate. While these qualities make it an appealing place to live, they also present unique challenges for homeowners. From high energy bills to battling the South Florida heat, keeping a home comfortable and efficient in Kendall requires the right solutions. One such solution is upgrading to energy-efficient windows, which are quickly becoming a must-have for Kendall homeowners. Here's why. Reduced energy bills in Kendall's hot climate. The year-round warmth in Kendall often means constant air conditioning to keep homes cool and comfortable. Traditional windows can allow significant heat gain, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your energy bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features such as low emissivity, low E coatings, double or triple panes, and insulating gas fills. These technologies reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By minimizing energy loss, these windows can significantly lower monthly utility bills, making them a cost-effective upgrade for Kendall homeowners. Enhanced comfort in every room. With Kendall's tropical weather, some rooms in your home may feel hotter or colder than others, especially near large windows. Energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures throughout your home by preventing heat gain and loss. These windows eliminate drafts and reduce hot or cold spots, ensuring every corner of your home stays comfortable, no matter the season. For Kendall families, this means a more enjoyable living space that's tailored to the local climate. Protection against harmful UV rays. While Kendall's abundant sunshine is one of its biggest attractions, it can also pose risks to your home's interior. Prolonged exposure to ultraviolet, UV, rays can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork, diminishing their beauty and value over time. Energy-efficient windows are often equipped with UV-blocking coatings that shield your home from harmful rays without sacrificing natural light. This added protection helps preserve your interior decor while creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Noise reduction for peace and quiet. Kendall is a bustling area, and whether you live near busy streets, schools, or parks, outdoor noise can easily disrupt the peace of your home. Energy-efficient windows provide excellent noise insulation, thanks to their multi-pane construction and advanced ceiling technologies. For homeowners in Kendall, this means a quieter and more serene indoor environment, even in the heart of the action. It's an upgrade that enhances both comfort and quality of life. Durability and protection against extreme weather. Living in South Florida means being prepared for tropical storms and hurricanes. Standard windows may not offer the level of protection needed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Many energy-efficient windows are designed with durable materials and impact-resistant glass, making them better equipped to handle Kendall's stormy seasons. By upgrading to energy-efficient, hurricane-rated windows, you're not only improving your home's efficiency but also enhancing its safety and resilience. Eco-friendly living. As environmental awareness grows, many Kendall homeowners are seeking ways to reduce their carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle by reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. By upgrading your windows, you're taking an eco-friendly step that benefits both your wallet and the planet. It's a choice that aligns with the values of environmentally conscious homeowners in Kendall. Boost in property value. Energy-efficient windows are a sought-after feature in today's real estate market. Homebuyers in Kendall are increasingly looking for properties with modern, energy-saving upgrades that reduce long-term costs and enhance comfort. Installing energy-efficient windows not only makes your home more appealing but also increases its market value. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to enjoy a higher return on investment, this upgrade pays dividends. Local incentives and rebates. Kendall residents may qualify for incentives or rebates when installing energy-efficient windows, further offsetting the initial cost of the upgrade. Programs offered by local utilities or state governments encourage homeowners to make energy-saving improvements, making it easier to enhance your home without breaking the bank. Conclusion: energy-efficient windows are a game-changer for homes in Kendall. From reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort to providing UV protection and weather durability, these windows are a must-have upgrade for any homeowner. Beyond the immediate benefits, they also align with eco-friendly values and increase property value, making them a smart long-term investment. If you're ready to experience the advantages of energy-efficient windows, consult a trusted local professional who can guide you through the selection and installation process. With the right windows in place, your Kendall home will be more comfortable, efficient, and prepared to handle the challenges of South Florida's climate.